can get started. As seen on TV, actually, nope, this one doesn't have it. I know, I'll get Stan. Thank you, Stan. If you have not subscribed,
let's power on.
With a carbon fiber? Yes, it's a carbon fiber. What? Okay, the trim, waiting on the compressor. Product? No, project. You mean, you know, it'd be great if I could just turn around and say, hey, yeah, we're going to move on to the next project. Don't you start. I would like to be able to say product review. Not a fiber, a fiber. All right, welcome back to our part. Still waiting on the compressor. Not a fiber, a fiber. What the f am I trying to say? Just, yes. Waiting on the compressor. Worked itself, not have a f***ing train come by every time we're trying to talk. Type of contact. Be sure to, that sounds stupid. Still waiting on the compressor. Now the product description page here says that this vehicle, good God. Now the seeds had been wow, we'll try that again. Wow, I cannot talk today. And we're done. Our third, no, that's not right. First, before you get a roadside assistance vehicle. In our situation, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. What? Jesus. One of the design, and this is left truck, wow. The Z71 package, which offer now in 2023. This is the part where I should slow down when I speak. Start over. I am all about making it work. Besides, my granddaughter's coming over and I got shit to do.